Hello everybody. Today I have this 2.0 TDI PD engine. Something interesting to show where the glow plugs are. They are inside of the rocker cover. It's a little bit stupid design, but it is what it is. So if you have 16 valve PD engine, this is what you need to know. You can see all the connectors except one are broken. Somebody was been inside there. This is the way how I pull up. When I unscrew the glow plug, I just have piece of tube, and then I gently pull it out. This is it. And always when you do this job, you need to change the rocker cover gasket, because somebody you can see clearly how much sealant there is. I will have fun to clean all that up. Yes, this is the rocker cover. It's nothing. You have few bolts to unscrew and pull the timing belt cover, and that's all. And when you replace them, even if you know just one, the best thing is to change all for them, because you don't want to do this job twice. See ya.